having a dog is very fun and enjoyable, especially when our dog gave us unconditional love. So when time comes that we need to bring our dogs outside, we need to secure our dog for their safety, because not all the times we can bring the dog with us, especially when we go out to the beach. So today I'm going to teach you how to disassemble a dog crate. This is for travel purposes. So we cannot disassemble the crate because there is a dog inside, so we need to bring this out. So this is how we disassemble our dog cage. Okay, because if we use a car and there's a very small place in our compartment, we need to disassemble this so we can put many things. So let's get started. First, there's a lock here, so we need to pull this up. Okay, and then you pull this, and there you go. Okay, so we do the same here. There's a lock here in the center. Okay, and then we pull this out and do that. So there are two ways of folding this. So I will fold the other way around here. Be careful because you might have an incident here. Okay, so I will explain why this is not good. Okay, because we cannot lock this properly if we go on that way. Okay, so bring this up again. So we do the other way. This one is inside, this one inside also, and then slowly going down. Okay, then you can use this hook to lock the dog crates, and then you're ready to go. So if you are new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again on our next video. Bye bye.